In my channel, I have showed you how to make the fudgy brownie, and today I'm going to share the recipe of Choco lava fudgy brownie. Let us start the recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is that preheat the oven in 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. It is very important to preheat the oven. And now I'm going to take here half a cup of dark compound chocolate and half a cup of milk chocolate. Dark chocolate is a little bit of bitter, so to get rid of the bitterness, I'm going to use here milk chocolate. I'm adding here 25 grams of butter and melt it in the micro oven or in the double boiler. And I will take around about 75 grams of butter into a bowl. Into it, I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar and brown sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Mix it well together, and now I'm going to add the eggs gradually into this. I'm using here 4 eggs and mix it well. I have used here 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence too. I'm using here salted butter, so I'm not using any salt. If you are using unsalted butter, then do use 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well, the eggs and everything well together, and add the eggs gradually. After mixing it well, now I will add the melted chocolate here. I have melted this chocolate in the micro oven in low heat. If you are using double boiler, so you can use it too. Remember, while melting the chocolate in the micro oven, you should be very careful. Just place it in low medium heat for 30 seconds and then take it out and stir it again and repeat the process till the chocolate melts. And now I'm taking here 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and half a cup of cocoa powder. Sieve it well directly into the batter. Now we are going to use cut and fold method to mix it all. I have used here some chopped dark chocolates. The chunks of dark chocolate, a little bit big, and I'm mixing it into the batter. And now I have greased a 9-inch pan. Into it I have placed the parchment paper, and I'm pouring this batter into it. Tap it to get rid of the air bubbles and garnish it with some chopped almonds, and bake it in 180 degrees Celsius in preheated oven for 20 minutes. And it's ready. Your Choco lava fudgy brownie is ready to serve. Enjoy this recipe and do let me know in the comment section how did you like it.